A very warm welcome to Eganeet Simplifying Maths. We are going to solve a question of class 10th chapter number 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Here we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 8.4. Are you all excited? Yes, let's get started. So here we need to write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secA. So now, do you remember any trigonometric ratio which is reciprocal of secA? Yes, it is cos A. So we know that cos A can be written as 1 upon secA. So we have already written one trigonometric ratio in terms of secA. So now, how can we find sin A in terms of secA? Yes, let me give you a hint so that you can solve on your own. So you need to use the trigonometric identities. Yes, do you remember any trigonometric identity which relates sin A and cos A? Yes, it is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So we know that cos A is reciprocal of sec A. So now it is very easy for you to find sin A in terms of sec A, right? Okay, so let's do that. So see, here sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. But what is cos A? It is reciprocal of sec A. So we are going to write cos square A as 1 upon sec square A. So we have sec square A minus 1 upon sec square A, which is the value of sin square A. But we haven't found the value of sin A yet, right? So it will be root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Note that here we can have this plus minus sign, but we know the range of A. And for this range, sin A will never be negative, right? So we can get rid of this minus sign over here. Which trigonometric ratio can we find from sin A? Yes, we can easily find cosec A as it is its reciprocal, right? So cosec A will be equal to sec A upon root of sec square A minus 1, right? Now that we have three trigonometric ratios which we have represented in terms of sec A, how can we find the remaining two, that is tan A and cot A, right? So do you recall any identity which relates sec A and tan A? Yes, you are right. It is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So here tan square A will be equal to sec square A minus 1. So the value of tan A is equal to root of sec square A minus 1. Now that we have the value of tan A, how can we find cot A? Yes, we know that cot A is reciprocal of tan A. So by taking the reciprocal of this, we can have cot A in terms of sec A. So we have cot A is equal to 1 upon root of sec square A minus 1. So this is how easy it is to find all the other trigonometric ratios or write all the trigonometric ratios in terms of any one, right? So try to solve the remaining questions, and thank you so much for watching. For more such videos, Do like, share and subscribe. You can also go through our website www.eganeet.com, and you can also download our app from Play Store.